Hi, this is Pronunciation Mag, and in this video I'm going to give you a little extra practice with the M sound. In a previous video I talked about the M sound in the middle of the word, and in this video we're going to focus on it at the end of the word. Now the M sound doesn't exist at the end of the word in a lot of languages. If your language is one of these, I would like you to take out a mirror as you go through the training words and sentences, and you're going to pause the video after each word, look into the mirror, repeat, and make sure that your lips are coming fully together, because this is the most common error. Okay? Notice how my lips are in the following word contrasts. I'm going to say the first word of each set with no M, and the second word of each set with an M. Tan, tam. Hand, ham. Ring, rim. Cone, comb. Then, them. Shane, shame. Wrong, CD-ROM. Rotten, rodham. Den, dem. Did you see the difference in my lips? Okay, so that is the goal for this lesson, is to bring your lips fully together at the end of each word with an M sound. Training words. Extreme. Time. Rhyme. Tom thumb. Bottom. Become. Something. Seemed. Auditorium. Dreamed. Ice cream. Comfortable. Aluminum. Magnesium. Home. Some. Radium. Room. Assume. Groom. Chrysanthemum. Lonesome. Plutonium. Warm. Some. Arm. Sam. Costume. Worrisome. Datum. Addendum. Troublesome. Atom ream. Theme. Costume. Resume. Now let's do some training sentences. Kim was a king in the children's game. If you run a lot, take magnesium vitamins. Staying at home made Sam feel lonesome. There's some ice cream at the bottom of this. Let me try that once more. There's some ice cream at the bottom of this. Feeling comfortable is essential in a bedroom. Don't assume that chrysanthemums are poison. Did you know that time rhymes with mime? Williams Lake is in British Columbia. He told me something about consumption. There's an addendum to the schedule this time. The economy is worrisome. I never dreamed I'd come by. My arm is in extreme pain. This is a palmetto bag. What do you think of Adam? What became of the groom? Tom Thumb is a supermarket. Storms made the air warm. I like the costume theme. Diane Rehm is on the radio. Okay, now I have one tongue twister that should hopefully help you make the transitions between sounds fast enough so that you can bring your lips together. Some assume thermal and thermos sometimes become something comfortably warm. Some assume thermal and thermos sometimes become something comfortably warm. And one more time. Some assume thermal and thermos sometimes become something comfortably warm.